So you might be wondering why I'm sitting here in these sort of really poor lighting conditions. Well, there is a good reason for that. About 2 days ago I actually took delivery of a Canon Powershot S110. Not a review product this time. I was really looking to purchase a camera for my own use, and I looked back to probably about a year ago when I tested and reviewed the Canon S100, and I remembered back then that it offered up very good video, absolutely awesome photos, all in a really compact package. And things have changed a little bit since the S100. We've got a touch screen now, and also an interesting app to actually test alongside the camera. But I thought I'd do this first little chat to you about the actual video performance. Now, I'm going to be doing obviously daylight tests as well as some video outside, but I thought I'd just sit in front of the Christmas tree where it's sort of rather low light conditions and just see how the Canon S110 performs. Now, when you're looking for a compact camera, do take into account that there are a lot of choices out there. And I was looking to choose between the Canon S110, which I ended up purchasing, also a Panasonic Lumix LX7, and also a Sony RX100. Now, when I tested the RX100 before, I remembered that it kept overheating whilst I was actually recording video, so that went straight off of the shopping list straight away. Then I looked at the features of both the Panasonic LX7 and this S110. And yes, the Panasonic LX7 does have a better sort of specification sheet. It shoots at 1920 by 1080 resolution video up to 50p as opposed to 24p on the Canon. I think what the deciding factor was though, that I do trust the Canon optics a little bit more. Also, the S110 is a much smaller and lighter camera, and I was really looking for something that I would take everywhere. So as small as a smartphone that produced good quality video, and I was sure that this particular model would do it for me. So that's why I sort of chose this over the Panasonic. Yes, the Panasonic does have a higher frame rate, but it is a lot bulkier camera, and I could see it really falling into the realms of staying in my studio rather than living in my pocket and coming out and about with me. Now, I like my photography as well, and more often than not the camera I've got with me is either on my Nokia Lumia 920, which is my daily phone at the moment. I also have my iPhone 5 with me as well for Instagram, and that is what I have with me all the time, and I wanted something that I could actually use as a proper digital camera, something with better quality. So hopefully the Canon S110 will deliver for both my photography and video needs. Let me know what you think in the comments below. What do you think of the video quality of this camera? And I will see you all in the next one.